Let's talk about food and drink. I will ask you 10 questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. What food do you eat every day?
I eat rice and fried pork every day.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried rice.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat rice and egg for breakfast.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink water in the morning.
Do you like spicy foods?
Yes, I do. I like it very much.
Do you eat vegetable?
Yes, but I don't eat it every day.
What fruit do you like?
I like mango and apple.
Where do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at school.
What do you drink when it's hot?
I drink cold water when it's hot.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I do. I cook every evening.
Thank you. You did a great job. Talk about food and drink.
Thank you, teacher.